Alright guys, another day, we're going to play. Brought back the mini glider, 800mm 3S, and of course the Hummer 3D. Slight breeze, hopefully I can take off a little bit crosswind here. I'm going to try. Yeah. You see the wind bouncing around, so wind is a little bit right to left. It's really getting thrashed around up there. Super chill, easy flyer. Throttle off. Crosswind. I think we're at 12 mile an hour winds again today. Power lines behind me. Look at that bounce. Brought her towards the top. Let's do the loop again. Bouncing around. Something died behind me. You can smell it. Carcass. Power lines. Let's try and do some circuits. Figure 8 here. Yeah. Cuban 8. Do that again. Pull it up. Someone's behind me. Who's that? There's an animal in the woods there. I can hear something moving around. I think this was on Amazon, another FMS model, FMS 800 box. This thing is so light, it's lighter than a diaper. Look at that, that's super loop. Got a school next to me, people picking up their kid. Trying try and do a semi-low level bank and yank here. Lost sight of that for a second. Full throttle. Oh, I think the battery's out already. Alright, we'll bring it in. Oop. Like that.